Hey there, everybody. I am a big fan of this Tofurky plant-based ham. It's all vegan. It comes with a delicious amber ale glaze, but today I'm not going to make it with the glaze. I'm going to actually put the glaze aside that it comes with and make my mom's glaze that we had on ham when I was growing up. It's very simple. It's yellow mustard, brown sugar, and I think she pierced the ham with a few cloves. So I'm thinking that this might like send me back to my childhood because that's how we made ham at Easter when I was a kid. So the ham is really easy to prepare. Like I said, I've done this a couple times because I'm kind of a fan of this. I actually have a video that I did maybe last year or the year before making this with the glaze that it comes with. So if you want to check that video out, I will link it down below. But otherwise, you just clip off the netting, you put it in a pan with a little bit of water for about an hour and 15 minutes. So what I'll do is I'm going to do all that, and then I'm going to call my mom and just double, triple check that that's what she made, that the glaze that she made is just mustard, brown sugar, and cloves. And then I'll show you what I do. So you're supposed to cook it for an hour and 15 minutes with the water in the pan, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cook it for an hour, take it out, put the glaze on it so that it gets nice, and has time to get nice and hard, and then cook it for like another 25 to 30 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Here it is, my mom's delicious glaze. It is 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of yellow mustard. Super simple. But I did make this as soon as I put the ham in the oven because it gives the sugar a little bit of time to sort of melt into the mustard so it does form like a glaze and it's not super gritty. Of course, it'll get a lot smoother once we put it on the ham, which is in the oven. So this has been sitting for about an hour. We will put some of the cloves onto the ham when it comes out of the oven, which should be just about any second now. And I'm looking at the timer and we are at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, ham's ready. Well, sorta. Here it is, 325 degrees for 1 hour. Now, according to the directions, this should have gone for an hour and 325 degrees for 1 hour. According to the directions, you do it at 325 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes. Put the glaze on, and then you cook it for another 15 minutes. I'm gonna do this in 2 parts. So I'm putting some glaze on right now, because I kind of like the crust. I'll cook it for 15 more minutes, and then I'll pop it out again and probably reglaze it. And I am going to cook this uncovered from here on out. So, okay, there it is. Kind of like last time. It's a little warm. You can probably see some of the steam coming off of it, but I can't wait any longer. Sort of like last time, the color is a little strange. I remember it being more red than you know, kind of this orangey, but that's okay, whatever. So I'll taste it kind of plain. It's got a little bit of the glaze on it from the top. And see if maybe they've improved the flavor. Okay. So the regular ham is just like it was. They haven't, it doesn't taste like, if I can talk, it doesn't taste like they've tried to change the glaze or change the flavor of the ham itself, which is fine. It's pretty neutral. It does have an interesting, kind of like what we vegans consider ham flavor, but whatever. So I'm going to dip it in some of the sauce left over in the bowl and taste it with my mom's sauce. Oh, God. Okay. No. Sauce is the key. It makes it, I don't know if it just, whatever the hint of ham flavor, because it's been decades since I've had ham, I think. It kind of brings that flavor back, which is kind of, or, you know, maybe that's a good thing. I don't really want to remember what pig tasted like, because I like pigs now, you know. So anyways, but with that glaze, delicious. So make as much glaze as I gave the measurements for, so you can soak the whole thing in it, and then have a little extra to dip it in. So in the last video, oh my gosh, it's so good. That mom's glaze, so good. It's vinegary with the mustard, but slightly sweet because of the brown sugar, and just a little bit of clove in there. I mean, it's delicious. So the last time I taste tested this with the beer glaze, which was also delicious, I think I gave it like 3 out of 5 Miss Piggies. I think I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 Miss Piggies because it is absolutely delicious. So it was my mom's glaze that put this over the top. So thank you, Tofurky. I think this is a great roast for Easter. For what else do you have? Ham? Christmas? Some people have ham for Christmas. I don't think you're going to fool anybody with this ham, like as far as a meat eater goes, but it's such a great addition if you if you're transitioning into veganism, or even if you just don't want to feel left out like me at a Christmas dinner or at an Eastern dinner, and you're like, I want my own little ham. Well, here it is. Tofurky did it, and it's delicious with either the glaze that they have or my mom's glaze, which makes it even better. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other taste test videos here on YouTube. Have a great day. Oh, that is good.